suppose you could have concluded that it wasn't infinite in extent.
Yeah.
But you can, I'm not sure which way, you could argue either way.
Either way.
But the point is that that's interesting. And you could say, well, but okay, so I can see that in an infinite universe with an infinite number of stars and they're all over the place, then every line of sight ends on a star. You could say, what if there's dust around? And all of us thought about that and said, yeah, but then the light will heat it up. So if it had been around for an infinite amount of time, then dust will glow as well. Mm-hmm. So it's a very beautiful question. So the answer today in modern language is that we live in an expanding universe that's 13.8 billion years old, and that's ultimately why the sky isn't absolutely ablaze with light, because the universe is expanding.
There's a beautiful analogy where you have a forest and you'll have like individual trees, and if that forest is deep enough, if you can see far enough back, you can no longer see through the forest, and it blocks every line of sight.
Yeah.
I did love that question.
The dust does obscure the galaxy, and you're very lucky here in Australia because you can see that, because you can see Sagittarius right towards the centre of the Milky Way. So you should see these bright, the Milky Way is a bright sort of streak across the sky, but at the centre it's black. You can't see, and that's not because there are billions of stars. It's the brightest bit of the Milky Way.